Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. If you're interested in that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today's tutorial is how I apply my base flawlessly to look beautiful in person. So you are not going to look cakey at all. You are going to look flawless. So number one, you need to moisturize your face. You need to moisturize your face and lips because no one wants a flawless base with some dry cracked lips. So moisturize those lips, guys. This is really important. Moisturize your face because you don't want to apply some foundation on cracky dry face. So just apply those moisturize your face, let it nice and sink in, guys. So number one, I'm just gonna do a quick eye and eyebrow situation. First of all, I am going to brush my hairs upwards, do a soap brow situation, and then I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm doing a really natural brow today just because this is the vibes, natural vibes, you know. You are going to look beautiful in person. So that is what I'm going for, guys. So now I'm going to conceal under the eyebrows. If you ever wondered why some people's eyebrows look so beautiful, this is the vibes. You need to conceal under your brows to clean up under your brows. It's gonna make your makeup look flawless and just like put together. Just gonna make your brows look neat. So definitely do this. You are going to thank me for this. So I'm just doing this with my foundation, and this is the foundation that I'm also going to use for my face. So now you need to prime those eyelids because you don't want to apply a eyeshadows on just like bare skin. No, you need to prime those eyelids. And now I'm going to go into this color. This is like a orange color, just for a transition, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. But first I'm going to put it, guys, mind those that fly that's flying around there. But anyways, we're going to apply that at the outer part of the eye and also going to apply that in the crease. And you need to pat first before you can sweep, because remember we didn't set this eyelids, and the reason why I don't set the eyelids just to make the color pop even more. So now I just blend, and then I'm going to go into a smaller brush with the same shade, and then I'm going to apply that even more to the outer part of the eye. Now going into this eyeshadow palette, everything will be listed down below. I'm going to take my finger, guys. This is the best way to apply your shimmers. You can apply it with your finger. If you don't have a brush, this is the best way to apply your shimmers. So I'm going to apply that green shimmer shade all over my lid, and then, guys, satisfying, you have a sharp line. So guys, to have a flawless base, I would recommend to apply a highlighter underneath your foundation. This is just gonna make your foundation look fabulously. It's gonna make your foundation looks more like skin. It's gonna have a glow to it, especially when you use a matte foundation, which I am using today. So I just blend it in with a brush, and guys, I love this highlighter. Pretty. So now I'm going into the foundation. This is the Revlon Colorstay full coverage foundation, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. You guys are going to see that even with the foundation on, that glow is still going to come through, which is definitely what I want. This is key if you want your foundation to look like skin, guys. Super duper important. So I'm just blending that in with a brush, and then I'm going to go in with a sponge and blend it even more. So as you can see, guys, so in number one, you don't want to sweep with the sponge. No, you want to press the product into your face. This is super duper important. You want to press the product, you want to slap the product into that pores. This is basically what I'm doing, guys. Just slap, and to take your time with this, because it is key to blend. So now I'm going to contour. And for the contour, if you want your base to look beautiful in person, less product is key. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of contour where I need it, and that is you can see wherever where I applied the contour. So now I'm going to go into my sponge, and for the sponge you're still going to press the product into your skin. You're not going to move the product, you are going to press the product into your skin. Guys, this is super duper important because you don't want to move that contour downwards. So yes, you're going to press the product into your skin. Lately I like to contour first and then I go in with my concealer under my eyes and so forth. So for the nose I also go in with the sponge. Guys, it might look a little bit weird, but trust me, at the end it will look perfect. Now I'm going into the Revlon Candid Concealer, going to apply under my eyes where I normally apply it. You're going to see obviously next to my nose to just like sharpen that contour a little bit more, and then I'm going to press it into my skin, guys. So this is also important, do not move the product, you are going to press it into your skin. And guys, make sure you do not use the side of the sponge that you use for contour. Make sure you use a clean side of the sponge. This is super duper important because you don't want to blend the concealer in and then you see brown patches here and there. This is important. So I'm going to press this into my skin like so. Take your time, guys, because good things takes time. I'm just gonna press that product into my skin. When I'm done blending the product in, I'm going to go over with the sponge over the contour just to make the contour a little bit more natural, because remember, this is a type of tutorial that you do want to look beautiful in person, guys. So yes, now I'm just gonna set my face and I'm going to set my under eyes using the sponge as well. I'm using a translucent powder because I don't want to add more coverage, guys. You want to look beautiful in person, so less product is key. So now I'm just gonna press the product into my skin. I'm going to set up my whole face using the powder, and then we are going to move on to powder contour, and I'm going to use also a little bit of product. This is really important if you want your makeup to look beautiful in person, guys. This is really important. I'm just going over with the contour sides of my nose and then my cheekbones. Also, don't use a lot of product. You don't need a lot of product, guys, and if you use a lot of product, it's definitely gonna show in person. It might look beautiful in a picture, but it's gonna show in person, so keep that in mind. I'm using this Physicians Formula, and this is like a bronzer / highlighter 2-in-1, so I'm going to use it. I'm using the same brush that I used for the contour, and I'm going to run that all over my cheeks just above the contour, just to finish off the look, because I'm not gonna apply a blush. So this is important. So now I'm going to finish off the eyes. Just going to apply a little bit of that orange under my eyes, because my look doesn't look complete if I don't add anything to the lower lash line. So that is important. And then I'm going in with a black liner, line the outer part of the eye and also the top line. I don't know what that is called, but you know what I mean, guys. This was a little bit tricky to show you guys, so I just did it off camera. Going into the orange shade again and apply it a little bit more closer to the lash line as possible, and then I'm going to go into that green shade again, apply to the inner corner of my eye. You know the vibes, what I'm going for, guys. And then we're going to apply more highlighter. You know, highlighter is the thing that is going to make your foundation look as natural as it can be. So this is a cream highlighter, which is better than a powder highlighter. So I'm just going into that highlighter, applied to the higher points of my face, higher points of my cheeks, and I want to say brow bone, but I'm going to apply it to the brow bone, but I'm going to apply it to the bridge of my nose, and then a little bit on the forehead, you know, the chin, where the sun or the light would naturally hit. So that is the vibes, and then I'm also going to go over that. But guys, can you see, this is how my face look with this products on. So it's super duper important to use less product if you want to look beautiful in person. So now I'm just going to go over with the highlighter, another highlighter, but this is a powder highlighter, taking a little bit, guys, and just setting that cream highlighter in place. So yes, guys, doing with my finger because I don't want to apply too much of the powder highlighter, because I want to have a natural glow and don't want a glow that is forced, if you know what I mean. I'm also going to apply that powder highlighter to my brow bone, and this really finishes off the look, especially for the eyes. It just finishes off the eye look. So I'm also going to apply that to the inner corner because I felt like the green wasn't doing the thing. So now, very important, always set your face in place. If you are going out, set your face in place. Super duper important. This is the Estee Lauder setting mist. And also just gonna apply a nude lipstick because we can't go out with dry crack lips. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just setting, not setting, but you know what I mean, getting the vibes there. I'm going to curl my lashes and going to apply some mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I first apply the mascara to my bottom lashes because I feel this is easier for me, and then I apply to my top lashes. I'm not gonna wear falsies today. I'm only gonna wear my real lashes. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Dischem lip therapy over that Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick, because this lipstick is quite drying, guys. To be quite honest with you, it is drying. So I just feel like it is better if you apply a gloss or something, a lip therapy, just, you know, to balance that out a little bit. And guys, this is my face. This is how my face look. It looks natural but beautiful. Can you see that glow? Yes, this is the vibes, guys. It looks beautiful, and I promise you my face looked like this in person, guys. And this is the final result with my hair. You know, this is the vibes, guys. To be really honest with you guys, I did this exact routine on my sister, and this routine is the vibes. So thank you so much for watching. Till I see you guys in my next one. Bye.